goes. Okay.
Okay, first one.
Okay. Through.
Spanish aqueduct. First Spanish aqueduct used to take water from the stream. Okay, pay attention.
So 8 of us?
Yeah, the other ones can from the outside of the city, so if by gravity it comes to the bigger tanks.
Okay.
From the tanks they pump it. Pay attention to the murals here.
So if we come close to Comuna, Jason, you're going to tell us?
Little tram
Yes,
here.
this side.
No.
No.
I'm not New York City subway. White polo.
It's easy, and it's way easier when we understand the four systems, right?
Yeah.
The different types of commuting. We have the metro, we have the cable car we are about to take, we have the tram, the one we just took, the bus, and the.
We're going to take the cable cars next here. Here they are, right there. We're going to run on these guys here.
Okay.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm the last one here. I think it's 7.
Up till you in one cabin.
I go through?
Yes.
Okay.
And you are going to go in the second cabin. Okay. I live here, yes sir.
Where part of the city are you in?
In the south. I'm going to. We don't see it from here because it's blocked by the
Back
mountain.
up
but
here.
That's south.
We're riding up on the cable car here.
I wasn't
it's
paying
going back
attention. Is
of
the
it here.
airport north?
So there it
Up here?
goes.
No, east.
Yeah.
It's east.
We approach
Watch
the
this
city from the east.
We're looking out here on the other side.
We are going to see the road we just took. Look,
And
the bridge.
see down
Remember
there.
the.
Right.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Where we had the.
Not at all.
But it's
See.
only basically worse if you go 2 times.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, be quiet.
Listo.
We're still going up here.
Mm-hmm.
There's
Venga,
all the
apúntela.
houses
Sí.
up on the hill
Yo,
up there.
listo, genial, muchas
Every
gracias.
last inch
Yo
of
voy a estar
space
ocupado con el grupo que
taken
tengo que hablar aquí y explicarles de Medellín. que
and
llegamos.
built up.
La clave es
Looks like they're all
0727, o no recuerdo si
Big bricks.
2707, no recuerdo cómo la puse.
not too shanty looking. They
2707.
look pretty sturdy up there.
O al revés, 0727. Una de
Down
las
here
dos
you can see
funciona.
the roofs of them here.
Listo, y me confirmas. Y lo otro, por
Sides are
favor,
good.
encarecidamente,
Roofs.
¿me puedes compartir los documentos?
You can see that this is French
Sit down here.
because the
Rocky
cables
boat.
are one size thinner. The
Yeah.
French always makes everything. If this would be built by the Swiss, the cables would be like this. The French, they'll cable like this.
Yeah.
There's a big difference.
Yeah, there is.
The French always make it a little bit thinner.
They're trying to save money.
Yep.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
Where it was
Yes.
either had to carry it or it flowed off the mountains.
They can, yeah.
And sewers, how can they build sewers down a mountain? I mean, it's all.
There he is. He's right there. See him. The back of him. He's just moving slightly. Okay. We gotta press on. We gotta go uphill here. Well, we're at the terraces here.
Valores.
Bueno, les cuento que el lugar en que estamos en el pasado era utilizado como una trinchera. Después de los procesos de desmovilización de las autodefensas unidas de Colombia, nos dimos a la tarea de transformarlo para entregárselo a la comunidad ya como una herramienta de desarrollo.
So in the past, this spot was an important spot for the gangs, especially the urban paramilitary that used to rule this territory. They have taken this spot, and in the last few years they have turned it into something with a different meaning, a meaning of peace, a meaning of community.
Hoy es un lugar de encuentro comunitario, un lugar para educar a las próximas generaciones en cómo proteger el medio ambiente y también un lugar para mostrarle al mundo la transformación que ha tenido Medellín en los últimos 20 años.
Today it's a spot to not only gather together the community, but also to teach them the dramatic and important change, social change and ecological change of Medellin in the last 20 years.
Y para nosotros es un placer el tenerlos el día de hoy en este lugar y que ustedes se pueden dar la oportunidad de conocer estos rincones de la ciudad y ser testigos de esa transformación.
For them, your visit, your presence is really important here because it tells that what they are doing is giving results. It's important, right? So having you here is also a way to say that they need to continue with the program.
Formado, tengo 2 hijos y gracias a esta oportunidad estoy terminando mi carrera como ingeniero civil.
He has forgotten to mention his name. His name is Luis. Luis is 36 years old. Luis used to belong to one of the gangs, right? He also is he's part of the demobilization process of the paramilitary. And today he has a life, he has a family, he's married, he has 2 children, and he's finishing his studies as an engineer. She's really into getting the community together, and she's also in charge of the kitchen together with Kathy. See, the chef, and also the yeah. Mrs. Marley is mother-in-law to Kathy. Okay. Kathy together with sí, también has estado aquí cuánto tiempo? Desde el principio. She has been here in the project from the very beginning. Right? She's Joaquin's wife, but we didn't meet Joaquin yet. He's not around. So she's been also working together, hands-on all the time. Very important key in the project. And we have Juliana, right? Our local tour guide in Medellin. Member of OAT.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to our beautiful city.
Thank you. Thank you.
We're happy to be here. Did you hear that?
Now, this drink we have here is a mixture of soda and beer. It's Colombiana soda, which is like cream soda, and they mix beer in with it, and it tastes quite good. I was impressed with it. We got the lentil soup that we added some different sauces in it here, so yes, lunch starting out good here.